Welcome to Best Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या cooking channelaचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली सावधानी भलायकी. Today I'm going to show you how to make Goan Sausage Pulao, but it will be yellow in color because I will be adding turmeric powder. Just watch what is needed. 4 onions, 200 grams of Goan sausages. Now these are homemade. If you want to learn how to make this, please check the playlist of sausages and you will get different types of sausages recipe. Even sausage pulao is there, which is reddish color, and try that. Okay, and this is something different which I am making and I am showing you all. So this is 2 cups of rice. Okay, normal rice you can take. I have taken basmati rice, and which is washed and soaked for 30 minutes. Then this is around 200 grams of sausages. I am taking 2 cups of basmati rice. So I am taking 2 cups of Maggi cubes, optional. These are 4 onions, which is like this size, 4 onions sliced. Then what we need is 2 bay leaves, little bit of cinnamon, around 3 of peppercorns, and 4 of cloves. Water will be for 2 cups of this, and it is not in pressure cooker, this is in open pan. So 4 cups of water, hot water. Okay, fine. So हे मातशें बरोवन घेयात. आमचे गोवन सॉसेजीसाचे कशें करपाचें ते 2 कपां तांदळांक 4 कपां उदक, गरम उदक. हे जावन आसा 200 ग्राम, पाव किलोकीन इल्लें उणें. 200 ग्राम आमचे चोरिसां, घरची चोरिसां. ही जावन आसा 2 मॅगी क्यूब घेतल्या, ही ऑप्शनल. हे जावन आसा म्हाजे 4 धाकटे कांदे प्याव. मागीर जे घेतला हांवें 2 आमची तेजपत्ता, दॅट इज आमचे बे लिव्स आनी इल्लीशी तिखी, 4 कालाफुरां आनी 3 मिरयां, आनी हळदीचो पिठो इल्लो वयतलो. ओके, आनी इल्लो धनियाचो पावडर वयतलो. हें जावन आसा आमचें आयचें सामोण पुलाव करपाक. उदक दवरलें हांवें गरम करपाक. तुमी हांडयेन पूण गरम करूं येता. आमी हितून 1 कुलेर तेल घालया, एकूच कुलेर. ओके, चोरिसांचेर मागीर तेल सुट्टेलें. हें जावन आसा 1 कुलेर. फस्ट आमचो कांदो सोंसपाक. So you have to take 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we put this whole masalas for the flavors. And then we'll add our onion to this. Sausages you have to finely chop. Finely cut it how you want. Maggi cubes, soak it in a hot water. So fry this nicely. Till then we will cut our sausages. So now we will कातरून घेतले. आता half we will put now with the onions and half we will put later when the water will be, I will show you when other half you have to put. So the onions are also nicely fried. So now we will add turmeric powder to that. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Give a saute to this. Now we'll put half of the sausages in this. Half we will put later. Okay, now at this point we will add our rice. And we will just fry that. For a few minutes. Just fry this. Have to add our salt and then we will have to add our Maggi cube accordingly. Okay. Now 2 minutes, let it fry. So we'll add now salt to taste. So 1 teaspoon like salt I am adding because we are going to add Maggi cube also. Okay, now let's add our hot water which is with Maggi cubes. So Maggi cube I nitun gatla. So I have added this Maggi cubes in this hot water so that it gets mixed nicely. And this water we'll have to add now. Now give a mix. We'll cover this and cook this till the water gets this. Then we will add our remaining sausages. So high flame and then we will make it medium. So let it get this on high flame, then we will reduce our flame. At this point we'll make our gas to medium. So now the water is this, and at this point I will add my remaining sausages on top. And cover it and cook this on low flame. No mixing, just cover it and cook it. And so here is our sausage pulao ready. Fully nicely cooked, water is also done. So now I will cover this and leave it like that only, because if you see here, the water is there, little bit is there, but we can just leave this like that only. Sausages on top also is cooked, okay, inside also it is cooked. And now because they are all matured, sausages meat is like a matured meat, so that's why it get cooked fast. So now I will put off the gas and garnish this with some dried coriander leaves. If you have fresh, you use fresh. I want to use for this dry coriander, and I will cover this now. Okay, and leave it like that only for 10 minutes. So now, okay, 10 minutes and it is done. I will show you how we serve it later. Manta tumka soglank boro आवडटलो यो आमचो पुलाव, sausage pulao. Okay, thank you. देव बरें करूं. Hope you all will all enjoy this. Thank you. Enjoy this sausage pulao, Goan sausage pulao. Thank you so much.